Let's dive into how you can create a campaign for your project on Vodex. We are currently on the Campaigns tab, which is right after the Audience tab. Here, you'll get an overview of the total number of campaigns you've created, the runs, the calls made, and more. You'll also see a list of campaigns, selected audiences, and their counts. There's an option to run a campaign, and a few other features that we'll explore shortly. To create a new campaign, click on Add New Campaign. A pop-up will appear where you can name your campaign. You can choose any name, perhaps a specific one like Real Estate Campaign. Then select the specific audience you want for this campaign. Referencing our previous video, you should know how to add audiences. Here, from your saved audiences, choose the one you'd like to use for this campaign. Next, select the campaign type, either default or specific range, and then hit Save. Once saved, your campaign will be listed here, ready for you to run. If the campaign has already been run, options will appear to confirm if you want to trigger the campaign again. If it's a new campaign, you'll get the confirmation message to Run Campaign.